guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here to decorate more cookies. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes. The month of July is every one of my family members' birthdays. It's actually my mom's birthday today. So happy birthday, Mom. Last week was my big sister's birthday. In like 2 days, it's my little sister's birthday. In about a week, it's my dad's birthday. And I'm the only one in my family that doesn't have a birthday in July. My birthday is January 11th. So we're gonna have a birthday party tonight for my mom. And we're going to celebrate my sister as well. They both are in love with cacti. Anything cactus, they are into. My mom more so years ago. She was all into like the Southwestern motif and she had like everything all Southwestern-y. And my big sister just loves them. She loves the look of them. She loves anything. If it has a cactus on it, she's pretty much into it. So I thought it'd be really fun to make some cactus cookies and to decorate them. I made so many. I made so many cookies. It's not even funny. But I had a blast making them. Are they fun? They look like little cacti.
If you turn them upside down, they're like little, like this. If they're like upside down, it's like little bird feet.
It does look like bird feet upside down. That's adorable. I love you. So Kim's just gonna decorate cookies for her cousins, and I'm just going to decorate cookies for my family and for fun. This is just for fun. In my last video that I did about holiday cookies, I did like 4th of July cookies, and I said some tips and tricks and stuff that I did in there. I love that video and it was really fun to make, so make sure to go check it out. This is like a 2-day process, really, truly. This is not like just a quick, easy recipe, you know, throw it all together and throw it in the oven and you're done. This is a couple days worth of a project. It's just a process, but it's fun as long as you stay organized, and the more that you do it, the more you know what to expect and you know how to do it, and you can kind of refine your process, or you know, find ways to organize it a little bit better. So that's what I did this time. I'm not a professional cookie decorator. I'm not anything. This is just strictly for fun. And she's just gonna dig in and start decorating cookies. Are you excited? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scoot you guys closer, and I'm going to lean you guys in, kind of like I did with the 4th of July video. And I'm just gonna start decorating. And that way you can see kind of the process. It's kind of therapeutic, actually. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. You need to stop licking the frosting. I'm just gonna go for it. There's not gonna be a rhyme or reason. I'm probably gonna mess a few up, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna have some fun. Let's get started. This was awesome. I am so happy with how they turned out. I think this one is my favorite kind of design when it comes to the cactus. It's fun. It's fun to trace it, and I don't know, I just enjoyed doing that one. The polka dots were a little tedious. The zigzag lines were a nightmare. They ended up being so messy, but they all turned out really fun. I'm very, very happy and pleased with what they look like. So yay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I make a video. I make a video every Friday. So stay tuned, come back, hang out with me. And if you have any ideas or any suggestions, especially when it comes to like baking or like cookie decorating, let me know in the comments below what you would like me to do, and I just might end up doing it. Happy birthday to my mom. This month of July is a really special month for all of us, so we're just gonna have a blast. Let me know when your birthday is. I will see you guys next week. Bye.